Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. Welcome to my course, Building a RESTful API with ASP.NET Core 3. I'm a Microsoft MVP and a freelance solution architect currently focused on security and building APIs. In this course, we're going to learn how to build a RESTful API with ASP.NET Core 3. Creating a truly RESTful API is quite different from creating a regular web API, but in this course, you'll learn how. Some of the major topics that we will cover include interacting with your API by using the correct HTTP method and status codes, method safety and method idempotency, validating input that's sent to the API, and common features like filtering and searching. By the end of this course, you'll know all about REST constraints, what the advantages are, and how to implement them when building your API with ASP.NET Core 3. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with ASP.NET Core and C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to build a RESTful API with the Building a RESTful API with ASP.NET Core 3 course at Pluralsight.